Hey guys, Darkbird here, and today we are actually camping outside with everyone, and we have a special visitor today, and you've probably already seen him because I did a little spin. Hey, you want to come out? No. You're coming out. Hi. And there is Derek, my best friend. This is not Rhino GD.
Yes, it's Rhino GD.
No, it's not. It's not Rhino GD. He is my first best friend actually. He's visiting today, and he brought. Hey Derek, can you tell him who you brought today with you? Here, hold the camera or not. Just point at it.
Nightmare Freddy.
Okay.
Nightmare Bonnie.
All right.
Chica, Foxy, Golden Freddy, Zombot, Toad with Acorn Power, Mudkip, and the zoologist from Pepper John Garrison 2.
Yep. Here's
And
Mudkip.
Squirtles.
That's my Squirtles.
No, that's my turn.
That's my Squirtles.
That's my turn.
Oh my gosh. That's his Mudkip.
And that's Julian.
Oh yeah, there's Julian right there. He's, okay.
Julian Territory Plushie.
We have a little gardener. Hey, Gardener. How's the plants going, Gardener? Pretty good.
Yep.
So what are you making over there? What's that over there, Gardener?
Oh, that's onions.
And what is that in the pot, Gardener?
Peppers.
Peppers. And what is that plant right there?
I don't know. I'm too sure.
All right. Okay. We're actually camping, so you can join us if you want after you're done. Yeah. So yeah. But the plushies are actually camping with us. Say hi, Pikachu. Hi. How's everyone doing? I think I learned my YouTube skills now. All right. Here's Charmander. Hey guys, how you doing? I learned better skills than Pikachu right here. Hi. Can I grab the camera? Sure. Oh. Come on. Sorry. All right. It's all right. There's T-Pig. You guys probably never met him. He hasn't been in much videos. So yeah. Yup. All right. T-Pig. Hey. T-Pig. You okay? T-Pig. T-Pig.
Keep on going there.
Yeah.
There.
Is he okay? I don't know actually. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, T-Pig. Go up to T-Pig. I don't know what's up with him. T-Pig, pour water on him. Pour water on him. He needs some water, guys. Yeah. T-Pig needs some water. Open this thing. It's hard to do it with one hand. T-Pig, are you okay?
No.
T-Pig fainted. Oh wow, I made it even worse. Hey T-Pig. All right, bye. Bye T-Pig. All right. Sneaky. All right, and we also another Pokemon we have Mudkip dead. Okay, weird.
Yay.
Pikachu bung his snack. Oh no. Here's the brownie. We call him the brownie. He's annoying.
I want chip.
Hey brownie, get out of here, brownie.
Who has chip? Sergio, just
my
stop
God.
it. Just stop it.
Oh my god. We got our little doggy. I think his name is Jeffrey. Jeffrey? Say hello, Jeffrey. Ruff, ruff. That's Jeffrey. Alright. I'm not talking to you. Bye. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. The brownie. Get out of here. Hey Pikachu, can I get a snack? No. My snacks. Pikachu, come on, you're overweighted. I don't care. I had a big. Charmander, get out! Oh, here's a little panda. Oh my god. Oh my god. Charmander, don't hurt the panda. No! What's happening, man? Chaos in the camping. Pikachu! Lightning strike. Oh. Toad, I need help, Toad.
Bye.
What? Did he just quit on us, guys? He just quit on me? Oh my god.
Yeah, we're
All right.
cutting kids.
You know what? This is a fail. This is just a fail, guys. Oh. Hey, hi, Teen Monkey.
Hello, Mr. Swag.
Are you nice or are you crazy too?
I'm nice.
Oh my gosh. Get out of here, Pikachu.
Swag.
Thanks. For the end of the video, I'm gonna throw a basketball with one hand. There it is. Alright. Guys, move out of the way. Guys, move out of the way. I'm about to throw the basketball. Move out of the way, guys. What are they? What are they doing? Oh my gosh, do you see that? Oh! Pikachu!
Pikachu's wet.
Wait, let me throw the basketball. Ah! Alright, watch this, guys. Watch the master. Record me. Record me. Best friend, record me. Alright? Alright, best friend, watch this.
Why is it wet?
I don't know.
Ow. How did you get up there?
Yeah. Oh no.